Hey Crypto Voyage subscribers. We've sourced some exciting news from u.today about Ripple and XRP that you'll definitely want to be clued in on. Ready? Let's dive in. Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple's dynamic CEO, is in the mood for some celebration. And this isn't just any celebration. According to a recent article on u.today, Garlinghouse is prepping for a significant proper victory party in New York City on September 29th. The reason for the party? The Torres ruling, which has established that Ripple's XRP, when sold as secondary sales, aren't securities. This decision is a massive game-changer for Ripple. It paves the way for XRP to freely trade on digital asset exchanges, bypassing the hefty securities regulations. As expected, the XRP community has showered their joy and support across social media platforms. Capturing the essence of this milestone, Garlinghouse tweeted, "As reported by u.today, the last few years have been quite the journey and I look forward to sharing a celebratory toast." A sentiment that resonates with anyone following XRP's journey. However, a word of caution is in order. The Torres ruling is specific and doesn't encompass the institutional sales of XRP by Ripple and its leading team, which the US SEC alleges breached securities laws. And to add a twist, the SEC has lodged an appeal against the Torres decision. The outcome remains to be seen. Still, Garlinghouse is steadfast, emphasizing in prior statements that the debate over XRP as a non-security isn't on trial. While Ripple's anticipated NYC gathering is a reflection of its confidence amidst ongoing legal challenges, all crypto enthusiasts, especially market participants, should proceed with due caution, especially given the SEC's active appeal. That wraps up our coverage based on u.today's insightful piece on Ripple. If you love staying updated with the latest crypto buzz, hit the like button and ensure you're subscribed to Crypto Voyage. Your support fuels our commitment to bring the best from the crypto realm to you.